Hi, everybody. Sanbanana. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So, listen, you guys, they've posted this video here promoting Ingane's team over there by Mzansi Magic Instagram page. So, one, you guys, I want to talk about a few things that he gets to talk about on this video. Obviously, this is a show about his children, so he's gonna say positive things because what parent would do the opposite? No, okay. Now you guys are skalila. Number one, who dressed Umselegu for this video shoot? Okay. Ngicela ningitholele yena. And then bese nithi kuyena we are giving him or her a job to dress umseleko on ingane zesithembu uthando nesithembu, but please akahamba yomgqokisa laphayana kumnakwethu. Yabo leyo nto, yabo udinga into estylish but futhi ekwenza ukuthi ube ubaba, sikhathele amasuit angafaseki emkhabeni. So whoever dressed him for this, I thought this was a nice outfit. In fact, I did not think it's him. I was like, what the hell is going on? Okay. And I was like, what? Christopher. Christopher, is that you? And then I realized it's really Christopher. Anyways, you guys, let's talk about what Christopher said, okay? Let me start with the most interesting replies. So they asked him which of the kids is nonchalant, okay? Lo njonginandaba. And obviously we expected ukuthi he said it is Ulwandle. But there is something that he said that is interesting, guys, because he said Ulwandle is that person nje oyithulelayo ongazi uyitshela ukuthi he's not going to make decisions that he needs to make because of how he is, but eventually he will make a decision. And then he goes on to say, but the only thing is that right now he is not happy about Lwandle. There's something that Lwandle is doing that is not giving him joy. Okay. And I think that that has something to do with Kwezi and the baby and the DNA situation. Remember that Lwandle, when he was talking about the DNA thing, he said that his mom does not want to bond with the baby, but his father doesn't have an issue. It looks like he might have lied. Okay, he might have lied because here is Christopher Mselego here saying, and we all know Lwandle does nothing but try and make a baby. Okay, so he won't accept that that baby is not his, even though the DNA was done. Okay, that is one interesting thing. Number two is below. Like when the last season of Uthando Temple ended, Umselego looked like he is trying to punish Mpilo for not taking his side on Makumalo and Musa fights. Which was so unfair because Mpilo is a child, and also how do you think this child is going to react to you mistreating the person that has treated her so well in the family? When the whole family forgets about Upilo, Makumalo is not. So it makes sense that she would take Makumalo's side. But Mseleko was not happy with it. And he had said, uzokwenza usine the ceremony to bring her into the Mseleko surname, but not for Mpilo. And we do see it on the trailer when Mpilo is telling Umakumalo, listen, I was supposed to be wearing his pandla, but my dad said he's not going to do it because you guys are not okay. And Umakumalo says, listen, you are being used in this situation, guys. I've never heard of a father not doing his pandla for Ingane because they are not happy with their stepmother. What the hell? What the ridiculousness is that? Okay. But anyway, it's Chris. So we are so used to his ridiculousness at this point. But yes, he does say, you guys, that he's very proud of Mpilo. He thinks that his child Mpilo is one of the bravest because she does things that even adults are not able to do. Okay, so I was happy for Mpilo there. Of course, with Usbindi, he said, Usbindi because unesbindi, something like that. Okay, something like that. And then when it came to Umawande, Mawande is a crybaby of the family. And then he says that Owami Yena, she is the most loving, especially to the kids. And I've seen her on social media, you guys. She's always with Sne's baby or Makwela's baby, and she is like the babysitter of the family at this point. Love, love, love her. Okay, and it's good that the family can see that about her. Then you guys, utheni konje ngosine khona kushilo nangosine bafethu khona kushilo nangosine with uAbong. We said ukuthi that's the child that he thinks is going to be taking over when it comes to their work on social media, because obviously she studied television and whatever, TV production and stuff, so she is now working with TV vele, so he knows ukuthi that's the one that is likely to take over intambo ngala kuma-businesses abo, okay? And then that's it, you guys. I think the Lwandle thing was interesting because it is an indication that even though people say that that storyline of Lwandle and the DNA is a lie, it's an indication that it might not be a lie. I think we're going to be more shocked maybe to find out that the DNA story is actually true. But anyways, you guys, I do love and love you. So do love and like and love me in the comment section by leaving a like. And guys, listen, revenue yako YouTube aive inga corner these days, so if you can press a thanks button and say Ntando, thank you for the reviews, I love them. May is coming to kiss you in the cheek.
Yebo, okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's shoot.
So just go down.
What word do audiences commonly use to refer to Usbing?
Thank you so much.
But umpumelelo ubesi
Is the most nonchalant.
Kungabuye kube ubani ngaphandle kaLwandle letho kuhle Mseleko. Uyabona nje uyathula abange bese thatha isinqumo kodwa usanokungiphoxa kule nsuku.
Who do you think inherited your love for children?
Uavuyile owami Mseleko. Uyambona nje ngisho lengane encane uyayigona kahle kahle zonke izingane ezakhe.
Which of your children do you think is showing the most wisdom and maturity as they grow?
Umpilo kanye nomnini. Umpilo ke wenza izinto thina abantu abadala besingacabanga ukuthi sozenza. Umnini ngisho indlela ngibiza ngayo vele ubona uthi hayi uyazi umuntu omdala lo.
Who would you say is the crybaby of the family?
Ungabuye kube ubani ngaphandle kwaMawande Mseleko. Ungathi ufuze mina ngokukhala.
Who do you think will carry your passion for television and entertainment in the family?
Akekho omunye ngaphandle kwaAbongwe Nandi ilizwi lika mama Mseleko. Ngoba kumanje waya koyifundela kumanje uyayisebenza iTV.
Who do you think has grown the most from season 1 to season 4?
Bevele engihlupha kodwa ngiyambona manje hayi ngathi usekhulile usinenhlanhla phosha phela Mseleko. Lalelani ke abantu basemzansi ngangihlale ngithi sibindi uyabulala noma uyaphilisa. Cha, ngithi bukelani izingane zami ku channel 161 Mzansi Magic.